Yeah, just been out doing some pruning today. This one here, the old pom-pom bush, just got pruned. Yeah, this one over here, calling Big Bird, he just got pruned. And the other one, oh, there's Toby there, just about to do some cutting. Away you go, Toby. Go and cut it. That's it. Just cut it and up in the air. You can do it. Get it up there. Yeah, that's it. Cut it. Come down lower. Yeah, now. That's it. Yeah, another one. Anyway, this is my Australia bush. Beautiful when it comes out in flower. And of course me teddy bear bush. Yogi bear bush. Yeah. Go on, Toby. Get in there. Big cut, yep. Here. Pass it here. Hold that there. Right, turn around. Hold it on. Right, now hold it onto the... Can you see me cutters?
Yeah.
Okay. You watch Grandad go.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Here, Romeo. There's... What the heck? My face, Judy. Ah, some homecombers.
Just follow the cutters. How's that?
It's good, Romeo.
Getting there?
Yep. It's gonna need a haircut, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. This is a nice round bush, this one's going to be.
And he's going to Romeo's face. And there's... Do it again.
Up in the air. Oh, get up there, up there, up there. Yeehaw. Gotta have some fun, don't you, Toby? Alright, all finished.
Not quite.
Ready? Down the ground. Yay, all done.
Let me do it.
Hurry up, quick. This side here, along here. Get in there. Turn around the other way. Other way. Yep, that's it. You turn around. You turn around that way.
This way.
Yeah, that way.
This way.
And hold them cutters like that. Ready?
Ready?
Set, go. Yeah. Just be careful. Okay, so see you later, the people.
Ready?
See you later, people. Bye. Catch you later. Hey, see ya. Toby raking up. I'll get it all in the big pile. Way to go, Toby. Beautiful day for gardening, isn't it, Toby?
Yep, it is.
Okay, so see you later, everybody. Hey, say see you later.
See you later.
That's not a wave, that's a rake. Give them a wave. A wave with your hand. See ya, say bye.
Bye.
Okay, back to work. That's good. Now you got to pick it all up and put it in the bin.
Hey, you don't
Put the gloves on. Get the gloves. Quick. Better big than none at all.
Perfect.
Perfect size, you reckon? Good. Okay. On that note, we'll catch you later.
Yep, catch you later, duty.
Bye.
Toodaloo days.
Here's a way with them gloves on. Bye.
Toby, look you to back my
Yeah,
show.
just pick it up, put it in the bin. That's it. Told you the gloves would fit. Yeah, a bit more. Okay, now the rest you just rake up with the rake and now you can give us a wave with your gloves on. Big wave. Bye. Big smile. Yeah, that'll do.
Welcome back to my shed grass. I love you.